Hey guys, welcome to my second unboxing, episode 2. Today I will be unboxing Slipknot, the Subliminal Verses. So, let's open it. Always having trouble with opening package. Sorry for the background noises, it's not really my fault. They're doing construction in my house. Alright, it is opening right now. Alright, let's put this away. Wow, it's pretty cool. So, oh no, not another packaging. Yeah. Oh, it's this album? I didn't know. What the frick? Alright, let's open it. Okay, there's not another package. Thank God. Thank God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, so we have the CD and the other CD right here. So, let's check out the booklet. I'm having a little trouble with the booklet right here. God, I hate these booklets. Alright, have it out right there. So, alright, so this is the booklet of the album. And, yeah. This is it. The subliminal message of Slipknot. Alright. Leave a like. And, oh yeah, I forgot to show you the songs. I'll take the camera for this one. Alright, I'll try to focus in. So, disc 1, disc 2. Alright, so hope you enjoyed it, and see you later. Goodbye.